Spring 2013, a construction site in the Netherlands, almost completed.
This
is the St. Anthony Hospital near Utrecht in the Netherlands. It's a brand new building that will replace two older ones. The hospital is located right next to a major highway near Utrecht, an ideal location. Building a new hospital from scratch is a daunting task, and a long one. Let's go back in time. Winter 2012. The construction of the hospital is in full swing. From dawn to dusk, hundreds of craftsmen are hard at work. Among the contractors is Combi Gas. The hospital went looking for qualified and trustworthy partners to build this new facility. They chose a main building contractor, and that company in its turn selected approved installers for each of the installations that were needed. We, Combi Gas, were asked to take care of all medical gases, compressed air, vacuum and more. Where health is concerned, no risks are taken. The construction of a hospital and its installations are subject to strict rules and regulations. When you're building a medical air and medical vacuum installation, you have to comply with the rigorous medical ISO standards. That standard lays out all the details you have to adhere to. Combi Gas went looking for a reliable partner that could supply both the medical air and medical vacuum machines. That's why we selected Atlas Copco. A wise choice, because Atlas Copco cooperates closely with its clients right from the start of each project. We were contacted by Combi Gas in the tender phase of this project. We sat down together and listed in detail all the needs of the client and the technical requirements of the installation. That's how we decided to propose a medical air plant for this new hospital. This installation consists of 3 GA compressors, an ES medical controller and 2 Med 50 Plus medical air purifiers. Apart from the medical compressed air, Atlas Copco also offered a medical vacuum solution, so we came up with a total solution for this customer. Atlas Copco pays extreme attention to every single stage of the installation process. We don't rest on our laurels once an order is placed. On the contrary, we closely work with our customer from the delivery right up until the commissioning. We're there to help the installers and the end client. Working with Atlas Copco has several advantages: the close cooperation, reliability, their years of experience, and last but not least, they have pre-certified compressed air installations. That makes our job a lot easier. This client was very impressed by the fact that the medical air plant is pre-certified. This means that the installation comes with its own certificate, because several tests are already done in the factory. A huge advantage for the installer and for the end client. We very recently completed the medical air and medical vacuum installation and officially handed it over to the hospital. This hospital is now ready for its opening in a couple of months' time.